In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a LinkedIn article post. If you've ever tried to include tabular data in your LinkedIn articles, you might have noticed that the platform doesn't offer a built-in option for tables directly in its article editor. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a simple workaround. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, you'll need to start by heading over to LinkedIn's website at linkedin.com. Once you're there, you can log in using either your Google or Microsoft account or simply enter your email address and password. For those of you who have set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone number. This extra step ensures your account security. So, go ahead and complete the verification if needed. Now, as I mentioned earlier, LinkedIn's article editor doesn't have a feature for inserting tables directly. This could be somewhat limiting if you're trying to share detailed data with your network or audience. Here is where we get creative. While you can't insert tables directly, start by creating your table outside of LinkedIn using a program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Alternatively, you could use any table editor that you're comfortable with. Carefully format your data into a neat table that conveys the information clearly. Once your table looks the way you want it, you'll need to export it from your chosen program. Save the table as an image file such as a PNG or JPG. This conversion from table to image is key to getting it into your LinkedIn article since the editor can accommodate images. With your table now an image, return to your LinkedIn article draft. Within the editor, you'll find the option to upload an image. Simply select your table image file and it will be inserted into your article. Make sure to position it appropriately and adjust the size if necessary to ensure your audience can easily view the data. There you have it. While it might seem like a bit of extra work to convert your table into an image, this method is a reliable way to share detailed information with your LinkedIn audience without the platform's native table feature. By following these steps, you'll be able to communicate complex data clearly and effectively within any article you publish on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make your LinkedIn articles more informative and visually engaging.